Jeremiah here with Pillar Post Home Inspectors with another maintenance tip. Let's talk bathroom ventilation. Now I'm here at a home inspection examining the bathroom vent. Now if you take a piece of toilet paper and put it up to the vent and it doesn't stick like this, that means it's time to clean it out. Not only do our bathroom vents suck up those stinky smells, but they also suck up the excess moisture that collects in our bathrooms and can be a breeding ground for mold and mildew. Our vents help to prevent mold and mildew, and ultimately, they keep our bathrooms clean. Now, it's recommended that these vents be cleaned out at a minimum every 6 months. You can pull them down, wash them out, dust them off, and pop those bad boys right back up in there, and they'll be good to go. All right, that's enough for now. Bye-bye.